Hello, OTC traders. This is Victor from the Penny Stalker channel, and I'm bringing you three movers for Monday, February 22nd. And I'm titling it From Rags to Riches. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If not new, then please give it a thumbs up. And if possible, make positive comments. So today we're going to talk about three tickets that have been on the run. And one of them is SAMP. It's trading at 0.01. It had an increase of 13%, and it's called Santo Mining. And they are a crypto play. They're doing Cardano, and DNA acquired 70% of DNA tags. And next ticker symbol is NSAV. It's trading at 0.03. It had an increase of 45%, and it's called NSAV Holdings. And the news with them is that a Swiss cryptocurrency trading platform. And then the last ticker symbol is SPONF. It's trading at 7 cents. It had an increase of 64%, and it's called a Sponsor One, and they are doing a digital currency. So we're going to take a look at their charts and also what's going on with their news. Begin with the chart of SAMP, Santo Mining, and I'm looking at let's see, I'm looking at a 1 month chart, and we can see Santo Mining has been it was trading at 0.001 around a month ago, and then since February 5th it started taking off, and it has had a pretty strong run. It made this high up to 13.013, and then it went to 0.01. So I think this is a pretty hot item because of the news, which I'll be reading. And at this price, it's still fairly cheap to get on. And let's take a look at NSAV Holdings. And we can see also in a 1 month chart. And by the way, I'm looking at a Webull platform. This was trading at 002. And it's been slowly increasing, but since earlier this week there were news and started spiking, so it went from 008 to where it is right now, which is sitting at 3 cents, almost 4 cents, and it seems like it's just starting. So that's another reason that I'm bringing you guys this sticker symbol. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at the chart of SPONF, Sponsor One. And again, we're looking at a 1 month chart, and we see that a month ago it was trading at 009, and then it took a small increase, and then it came down again to 021, and it's been sidewinding for a while, but since February 12th, it started really moving, and that's when the news came out. And then this last the 18th, it had this big increase. It went almost to 10 cents, but then it went back down to 6 cents, and now it's trading at 7 cents. So again, we got a very strong runner here, and we're gonna take a look at the news. So I'm looking at Microcap Daily, which is one of my favorite magazines for OTC tickers. And they tell us here that major move on SAMP, Santo. It says DNA tags to Cardano, Santo Blockchain Labs deploying Ethereum Solidity smart contracts. So it says here that Santo is in full beast mode, rocketing up the charts in recent months, trading billions and emerging as a volume leader in small caps. SAMP has been under heavy accumulation recently, and volume has picked up substantially since early September, when microcap first covered SAMP on December 29, 2020. Okay, so what else it tell us here? These are different times than just a few short years ago. Now, penny stocks such as TSMP can achieve a 6 billion plus market valuation and trade 375 million in dollar volume in a day on the bulletin boards. And TSMP has no stronger fundamental than SAMP does. Wow, that's heavy. That's a heavy hit on TSMP. Let me read it again. And TSMP has no stronger fundamentals than SAMP does. So I'm just going to read over here. It says there is a lot to get excited about SAMP, a company making big moves in the booming crypto space, especially Cardano, which has been on a serious tear over the past few weeks. SAMP recently acquired 70% of the intellectual property and ownership rights to DNA tags, whose prime directive is the authentication of products to ensure the consumer of its authenticity. Users will have the ability to earn DNA art rewards, native tokens, as they scan products to ensure their authenticity. These DNA art rewards will inter-exchange with other coupon reward systems or can be converted to the native Cardano ADA cryptocurrency. Earlier this month, SAMP reported DNA tags will be converted in its Ethereum Solidity-based smart contract to the Cardano Gojuan smart contract. Santo Blockchain Labs has been developing and deploying Ethereum Solidity smart contracts for over 4 years now, with experience in ERC20, ERC7021, ER1155, and ER1450. So that's pretty much the news that we got going on with these guys. Here they also tell us that Santo Mining is a public traded company in the OTC markets under the symbol SAMP. The company focuses on the blockchain development of smart digital contracts for everyday life through its 100% owned subsidiary, SciTech Technology and Development joint stock company in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The company leverages highly efficient software engineers. Vietnam is currently known as the Silicon Valley of South Asia. The company's subsidiary, DNA Brands, is a holding company. In March 2020, the company acquired 954 Solar LLC and has been engaged in solar digital marketing and sales. With the acquisition of DNA tags, the company now owns 2 pieces of intellectual property and will begin marketing DNA tags to both the medicinal and recreational cannabis industry. So that's very exciting news for this ticker symbol. Here we have a look at the chart again. So I just wanted to bring it to you. Okay, next ticker symbol is NSAV. So they say, again, I'm looking again, microcap daily. So it says, Swift Runner NSAV net savings link surges higher on Swiss cryptocurrency trading platform. Virtual broker acquisition. So it says that NSAV is on a wild run on the charts in recent months, skyrocketing out of the triple zeros to recent heights of 0.0172 per share. The stock has been under heavy accumulation recently and volume has picked up substantially, with NSAV regularly trading several hundred million shares per day. So it says the time could not be better for NSAV to make NSAV to make a real powerhouse move to a whole new dimension like so many other penny stocks are these days. These are exciting times for Net Savings Link, which recently made its biggest and most important acquisition in Swiss cryptocurrency trading platform, Virtua Broker Ltd. The company is making big changes, including a partnership with TG Private Equity Incorporated, a major Hong Kong private equity firm, which will help the company complete its mission to uplist its shares to the premium OTC QB tier. Stated its intention not to dilute current shareholders. NSAV has also stated its in its filing the company will not effect a reverse stock split for at least the next 5 years and is currently applying for a name change to better reflect the company's operations. For years, NSAV management has been focused on launching a significant growth operations, and the company recently announced they will be updating shareholders on its planned grow up shortly. NSAV has also reported on its intent to acquire a Dutch cannabis company. The cannabis company, yet unnamed, is based in the Netherlands and offers a full range of agriculture and CBD products under its own brand name. The Dutch company is profitable, and the management of NSAV believes the acquisition will be a major step forward in the company's development and will greatly enhance shareholders' value as well as cement NSAV's presence as a global player. NSAV, operating out of Mountain Home, Pennsylvania, is a cryptocurrency technology company with an ambitious vision of the establishment of a fully integrated technology company that provides turnkey technological solutions to the cryptocurrency and digital asset industry. Over time, the company plans to provide a wide range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, advisory services, financial services, patents and trademarks, and information technology. The cryptocurrency trading broker platform that is about to be NSAV's latest and by far most important acquisition to date is an emerging player in not only Europe but worldwide. Their platform is very different and unique. Now let's take a look at a sponsor one. So actually this one first. This is from February 12th, and it says this is from Newswire, the newswire.com, and it says sponsor one, a company that utilizes its proprietary platform that combines digital marketing, wholesale and retail distribution, branding, and operational and funding capital, giving it a competitive first mover advantage in rapidly selling property brands focused on alcohol, functional beverages, and hemp sector, announced on Monday, February 9, 2021, that is issue 142 billion common shares at a price of 0.01 per common share as debt settlement, thereby reducing accounts payable by 1,427,000. The debt settlement. Certain insiders of sponsor one were issued common shares in satisfaction of 198,000 in accounts payable under the debt settlement. The insiders' debt settlements. The insider debt settlements were completed in the same terms as the debt settlements. And let's look at other. This is another article. This came out February 16, and it says sponsor one launches in market. Bloomberg says is set to skyrocket. Direct to consumers spirit market projected to be at 24 billion by 2026. So it says here, sponsor one, a company that utilizes its proprietary platform that combines digital marketing, wholesale and retail distribution, branding and operational and funding capital, giving it a competitive first mover advantage in rapidly selling proprietary brands focused in the alcohol, functional beverages, and hemp sector. Announced today that it has executed warehousing and online retailing agreement direct to consumers with Speakeasy Company to sell premier beverages consortiums Doc Wilder's Lemonade as our first direct to consumers product. In a recent press release a little over a month ago, we said that the company had planned to open our direct-to-consumer sales channel, and now we are entering the 24 billion direct-to-consumer spirits market. Prohibition area regulations stifle liquor e-commerce in the U.S. for decades, and the pandemic lockdowns sparkled demand almost overnight. The direct-to-consumer spirits market share is now estimated at 5% of the 120 billion market in the USA and expected to grow to 20% by 2026. And we are set to lead this growth with high-quality products that consumers can buy online. On February 2nd, upstart Drizzly Incorporated agreed to sell itself to Uber Technologies, the ride-hailing company that's ventured into the food delivery for 1.1 billion, signaling the explosive growth potential for direct-to-consumers market. Delivery is one of the value-add components of the direct-to-consumer supply chain. Still, the bulk of the margin is in producing high-quality distilled alcohol products like Doc Wilder's, Smithville, Four Corners, and Riverview. Here we got the three ticker symbols. Sponsor one, Santo Mining, and NSAV Holdings. They're all been moving heavily in the charts, and I wanted to make you aware of it. So please give a thumbs up to this information, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, and also become a patron for a full service from this person over here. Thank you very much. Say tradings and plenty of blessings.